This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, if you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and thanks for watching another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and in this video, I want to go over the Exodus wallet. The Exodus wallet is a soft wallet. It is not an exchange, although it has an exchange within it, but it is a soft wallet where you can have it on your desktop. Meaning it's not online. It is it's online, but it's not on an exchange. So like a Binance or a Coinbase or Kraken and KuCoin, all of the different exchanges that are out there. It is yours only, okay? And you can have it on your desktop or you can have it in an app now. So I want to go over this. If you're looking for a soft wallet, you want to move your money off of an exchange, which if you're going to be building a portfolio, I suggest that you do that. As you grow your portfolio, what I also would suggest is having your money on a hard wallet, which I'll be going over hard wallets as well because I'm going to be getting me one pretty soon. So, but Exodus wallet is in a wallet that it allows me to be able to track my cryptocurrency portfolio. I'm also able to connect it with to track how much on what you call coin tracker, where you can track what you're making for tax purposes, which I'll do another video on that as well. So if that's some content you want to learn here, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that content. So let's get into this right now. So what I want to show you guys, though, what I like about this, using this, it is everything. It's so easy. You're able to go over your different wallets of what you have and see what you've brought in, how each one is doing. You're able to exchange one from one currency to another currency. So say for instance you're earning Bitcoin in Watermine, then you want to exchange it for some Tron or any other currency that you're interested in investing in. If you want to learn what I'm investing in and what I when I'm investing in something and what factors I use to invest in something, I offer that exclusive content in my Patreon community. I also show you how to trade there. I show you how to slay the crypto space, basically how to grow the crypto that you have, and kind of introduce you to currencies that you may not be on your radar that you may want to add to your portfolio and watch it grow. So if that's something you're interested in my link tree, you'll see my Patreon community. You get, I'll be doing live streams in there. You'll have one-on-one coaching with me there. Okay. What else can you do in here? They allow you to earn interest on DAI, which I'll be doing. I'll be doing that. It also allows you to earn rewards on certain cryptocurrencies within this platform. So if you had any of these in your portfolio, you could earn rewards. So in my Patreon community is something that I would be showing how that is done within this platform. Okay, right now I'm not doing it, but I am going to be doing it, and that will be available in my Patreon community. So, and also what's here, shares. Exodus is launching IPO, a public offering. They filed it with the SEC already. So they are already allowing you to buy shares now early. So this is something that I will be doing as well as investing in their public offering. So that once I do that, again, that will be available in my Patreon community. All right. So, but yes, so say for instance, you are in Watermine and you want to withdraw. I want to show you how fast you can receive your money here. So let me go to Watermine, and I'm going to withdraw this $7.88. Actually, you know what? I need to change that. Let me put on my glasses because I am, let's just do Dogecoin because my Bitcoin right now, I have it set up to go to my, let's do Dogecoin. This $2.61. Let me make sure that is the wallet. Right now I have my Bitcoin going to the exchange because I sometimes trade it. So what you want to do is put your, there you go. That's it. You want to, when you are in Watermine, you want to put your wallet address in here, and you use the receive. You would use the receive. Okay, when you're sending, this is when you're sending somewhere. When you want to receive, you click receive and you copy this link here. All right, and then put it into Watermine. Okay, so I already have mine there, so I'm going to go back here and withdraw this $2.61, and I'm going to show you how fast this works. Okay, let me put in my 2FA code really quick, and you guys get to see this withdrawal in Watermine. Someone asked me, was it still paying? This video will be your proof that they are paying. All right, did you guys hear that? That's me receiving it that quick. All right, that's how fast I receive. All right, so currently in Watermine, I am, just to show you guys what I'm invested in, you know. It's not going to show me which ones, but so I am, these are all the contracts I have that are $10 and up. This is ones I have that are $100 and up, and I don't have any in the $1,000 range. I just have these all working for me right now. So it gives you the times when they expire. So this one is going to be expiring in 30 days. So I've been in here for Watermine for like 2 months now. So, and I have one more month before this one expires, and then so on and so forth. This gives you the expiration dates. All right. So once these expire, then I mean, as time go on, I will be adding more as I earn. I'll be adding more, but a lot of times I withdraw my earnings because I want to. Let me go back to Exodus. I want to be able to grow my portfolio. Okay, and there's other ways to grow the money that I receive from Watermine and from Tron Case. Now, Tron Case, when I get ready to start withdrawing Tron out to put in here, then I will do that. I'll start stacking some here as well to grow this portfolio. But if you want to get a cryptocurrency portfolio. If you want a cryptocurrency portfolio, you want to learn how to slay the crypto space, you want to learn everything there is to know about what's out there, then joining my Patreon community is where you can get access to that. That's where I'll be sharing a lot of content, one-on-one, what I'm doing, sharing my portfolio's growth, sharing what I'm buying, how I'm buying, what I'm looking at the charts. You get to learn how to study the charts. You get to learn when to enter a trade, when to get out of a trade. You get to learn how about many things that are out there that will allow you to grow your money, take your money to the next level. So you'll learn that here in Slay the Crypto Space Patreon community. Now, my link below is my link tree. When you click on that, if you're interested in joining Patreon, you would go here. If you're interested in joining Watermine, you will go here. Tron case, all of my links are here. If you're not already on Coinbase already and you want to get on Coinbase, you can't on Exodus, you cannot buy cryptocurrency there. So you can buy it on Coinbase and then send it to your Exodus wallet. All right. Or buy it on Coinbase to put into Watermine, and then have the withdrawals go to your Exodus wallet. There's several things here that I will be, get free stock with Robinhood, KuCoin. I have a video on that, which I'll give you. I'm going to be showing how I'm making money there with lending. eToro is another way you can earn by trading. I'll be doing something on that as well. So that's it. That's all I wanted to go over here in this video. I wanted to show you what the Exodus wallet is and the benefits of having it. Another benefit of having it is you can connect it to Coin Tracker, where you can track the performance of your cryptocurrency for tax purposes. So I will be doing a training on that. I'll be talking about that on this channel, but I also have more of extensive training in the Patreon community down the line as we get closer to the end of the year, as far as having to pay taxes on when you're on your cryptocurrency. All right, so I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just showing you my journey, what I'm doing on how I'm slaying the crypto space. If you want to learn how to slay the crypto space, then subscribe to the channel, join the Patreon community, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah. And then that's it. That's all. Until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.